Dog's Best Friend by Danielson. Cecelia, a dog, is trying to learn from a teacher. They are in a bedroom, and a cat called Nermal is sleeping on the bed. The teacher throws a ball across the room.
Okay, what's your first instinct going to be?
Grab.
Grab the ball, exactly.
Right. I've been chasing a lot of balls for you, and I feel I've shown my worth as a ball chaser. I'd like to know what kind of offer you'd be willing to make me for my services.
Good. What do you want?
I want to be allowed in the bed like Nermal is.
No!
No! I thought I was supposed to not be afraid to say what I want.
The first party to name the terms loses, because she can always be negotiated down from. Remember that.
Right. Oh, this is so hard. I'm really glad I found learntobeabornnegotiator.com.
We'll do it again.
Okay.
The teacher throws the ball. Cecelia runs after it, barking and brings it.
Cecelia!
Oh, sorry. I'll get it. Hey, why is it learn to be a born negotiator? Sounds like a contradiction in terms. I guess it's just a name.
They always tell me to stop taking dog clients. Why do I keep doing it? A dog will never be able to learn to negotiation against a human.
Teacher throws the ball. Cecelia fights her nature, then runs to it and takes it down.
I hesitated that time. I can do it.
No, Cecelia, I'm done with this.
No.
The problem is in your DNA. Human beings domesticated you thoroughly before you were born.
You can't domesticate someone before they're born.
Oh, yeah? You want to know what your ancestors looked like?
Produces from her briefcase a picture of a majestic wolf.
Whoa.
Yeah, this could have been your great-great-great-grandmother. Sure isn't you, though. See, thousands of years ago, we humans learned to make fire. We started living in one place instead of being nomadic. And we decided we needed a best friend.
Friends are good.
We started feeding the weakest, saddest wolves. But only if they did what we want. After generations of that, we have you. Yeah, I'm out of here. I'll email you my invoice.
Don't go! Are we at least having fun?
I've got student loans to pay, puppy.
Stops on the way out to pet Nermal, which wakes her up.
Hey, kitty. Take a lesson from Nermal. Cats don't even move unless they get everything they want. And people love them for it.
What was that all about?
Just a project. I found that scrap of paper where Alan keeps his credit card info, and I thought I could do some self-improvement like the humans are always doing. But I just can't do it. Oh, I'm just missing something.
Oh, okay.
We hear the door fumblingly unlock in the next room.
Oh, good. Alan's home. He'll take my mind off things.
Hi, Cecelia. Nermal. I'm home.
You're home. 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 Home.
I missed you, Nermal.
Oh, who dares?
He snarls and bites Alan's hand.
Somebody's crabby today. I bet you're mad you haven't gotten your food.
Walks past Cecelia to the other room, who's watching him plaintively. Alan returns with the cat food dish.
I really shouldn't feed you on the bed, but I spoil you.
Cecelia, deciding to take a chance, jumps on the bed next to Nermal. Alan shoots her away.
Cecelia, no, bad. The bed is not for dogs. Don't whine at me. Come on. It's dinner time for you two.
I think sometimes you don't take into account how easy it is to be passed over when I'm not allowed on the bed.
Alan re-enters and puts a small amount of musty-looking hard dog food in front of Cecelia.
Hey, I forgot to pick up your food. This is enough for tonight, isn't it, Cecelia? I'm sorry, Cecelia. I'm in for the evening. I already loosened my tie. You'll be fine.
Cecelia looks up at Nermal halfway through her meal, feels jealousy for the first time.
Is it good, Nermal? No!
Cecelia! The neighbors will hear you again.
Sorry. Oh, I might as well spend some more time online before Alan remembers to pick up the computer.
He walks over to a forgotten open laptop on the floor and pounds on the keyboard.
Bright flashing ad. Better click on it. Hyphen. Real online time travel. Go anywhere in the past for a brief moment and change one thing. PC users only. Time travel. Enter your credit card info in 30, 29, 28. Interesting. I better not do it. If Alan notices, he might get mad. But on the other hand, I hope I can enter all these numbers in time. Ha! Finished!
Credit card confirmed. Stand by.
Whoa.
Please focus mentally on your intended destination. You will have 59 seconds.
Oh my god, this is real! I can't believe I'm doing this, but I've got to make this count. Okay.
Energize.
Okay.
Cecelia travels through time, landing at the historic meeting where the first human tried to domesticate a dog. We see the past in a shadow play, hearing voices provided by the other actors. Cecelia hides in the bushes. A caveman entices a weak wolf with badly charged.
Gotta do this. Gotta keep my head.
Hey, Wolfie, you want this meat, don't you? I don't need it. All you need to do is chase this stick.
Oh, no. Grandma! Get him!
Cecelia decks the caveman. The weak wolf joins in, caught up in the excitement. He will overpower the caveman and growl in his face.
Now, you make him eat it. That's right. Remember this feeling, Grandma. With evolution, you never get a second chance to make a first impression.
The weak wolf growls triumphantly. Cecelia is pulled forward again in time. She steps into a new world where the teacher is looking at her expectantly.
What's your first instinct going to be?
Okay, my first instinct is going to be to say, I've been chasing a lot of balls for you, and I'd like to know what kind of offer you would be willing to make me for my services.
Flawless.
Throws the ball. Cecelia watches it and doesn't chase it. Standing up on two legs.
I realize you want to put this off, but I really do insist on closing the terms before performance. I'm sure you'll come up with a reasonable offer.
Nice! And standing up right there was a masterstroke.
Huh?
A little bit of theatricality always helps negotiation. I'll be honest, I don't know why you called me. You're definitely a born negotiator. I'll send you my invoice.
Thanks. I can tell things are different. Hey, Nermal. Notice anything different about me?
No.
I guess you wouldn't.
We hear the sound of the door unlocking.
Here he comes.
Alan enters. He runs to Cecelia and hugs her.
Cecelia!
Alan, settle down, you little monster. Is that what I call him in this timeline? I'm going with it. What did you bring me for food?
Alan takes out a large fish for Nermal and a large bowl of food for Cecelia.
Yes! Oh, this is good. Thank you, Alan. I believe I will take my meal on the bed.
Okay.
Cecelia sits down. She savors her triumph. Nermal is already eating.
Look at that.
Alan gets in front of Cecelia on his hands and knees, and Cecelia rests her legs on him.
And look at me. After a lifetime of chasing sticks, now I'm the one on top. Learn from my example. I stopped wasting my time with learntobeabornnegotiator.com. I changed history and founded my own company. I became a born negotiator through the only effective method that doctors recommend. Time travel. Sign up for Cecelia the dog and take our courses for only $499.99 or 6 easy payments of $399.99.
Take it from me. If you don't get with time travel, you'll get left behind.
Visit the website on your screen and become a born negotiator today.